Hitler's plan was to make us a page in history, a page that ends. Our focus is to remember the past as we're envisioning what our future might be. Each time a life cycle event occurs at Menetto Jewish Center, the Kolin Torah will be part of that celebration.
Kolin was one of the old Jewish communities. There was a great population. Our old Jewish cemetery was founded in 1415, before Columbus. Our synagogue is over 300 years old, and it was refurbished. Everything is kept just the way it was. All I remember is just joy until the days of the occupation. Then one day, the Gestapo people came to our house and they were taking my dad away. Our Jewish community ceased to exist in 1942. That's when the deportation to concentration camps came.
It's theorized that he wanted to put the possessions of the Jewish community on display so that he can show the world the service that he did by ridding them of this Jewish nation. The Torahs that were part of Hitler's collection were almost exclusively, if not exclusively, from Czechoslovakia. The synagogue that the Torah originated from was the Kehillah, the sacred community of Kolin. The style of writing of this particular Torah is a style that was lost in the Holocaust. Everyone who knew how to create a Torah of this style was killed, and that art was lost. The process of restoring the Torah was more than just a physical restoration of the Torah. The morning of the Torah dedication, I put on this pin, which had a branch of a tree surrounded by barbed wire. We're remembering those who were behind the barbed wire. On the other hand, the tree represents life and growth and the future. Standing on the pulpit, I was thinking about the last time that the Torah had been taken out, and the person standing in my shoes was Rabbi Richard Feder, the rabbi of Kolin. And he tried after the war to reestablish the Jewish community, but there just weren't enough people left. It was an amazing feeling to be part of bringing that Torah on its journey towards a second chance at life. Here we are 70 years later, and they're energizing a congregation through the connection of this Torah.